Hi lovely ladies, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda. Thanks so much for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to be using rice milk and moringa plus coconut oil for hair growth. So please, if you want to see how I make my hair mask, please keep on watching. Here are the benefits of using rice milk on your hair. Rice grains contain 75 to 80% starch. Rice milk contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. This includes amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. Rice milk provides slips in daily conditioners and it makes it very easy for you to detangle your curls. It gently strengthens and fortifies the hair shaft without weighing it down. It softens hard, crunchy curls that are damaged by heat, chemicals, and environmental elements. It gives natural hair a ton of moisture and bounciness. So in this video I'll be using white rice to make my rice milk. It's easy to prepare. Wash with warm water at least twice to remove toxins. Then let it cook until it is ready to be eaten. This is my rice and the water. This is my moringa. If you want to get best knowledge about moringa and its hair benefits, please click this link right here. It's going to direct you to the video where I was talking a lot more about moringa. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my rice into a blender. Then I'm going to add my moringa leaves and a tablespoon of coconut oil. And also I have a video where I attached a bit about coconut oil, so please, just in case you're wondering about the benefits of coconut oil, please guys, do click this link right here. It's going to direct you to the video again. So now I'm just going to leave it and let it blend. So guys, now you can see that my paste is ready, and I'll go ahead and sieve with a light fabric. You can see how the tiny particles of moringa are, and now I'll go ahead and filter my paste. If you decide to leave it with the particles, it's going to take some time when you're washing off your hair. Now I'll use my hands to squeeze out the mixture. As you can see guys, it's all done. Now I have my smooth paste. You can see the difference. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it onto my hair in small sections from my ends all the way down to the scalp, and then I'm going to twist my hair and just repeat the process. Now we are all done. Now it's time to use the greenhouse effect, commonly known as the bagging method. Then I'll blow dry my hair so that I can speed up the process. Then I'm going to put on a headscarf, and for this video I had to wear a hood hat because it was very cold. I had to stay warm while I was enjoying the process. Then I'm going to detangle from the ends all the way down to my roots. Then I'll go ahead and wash my hair. I finished filming around 5 in the evening, and I know you can barely see a thing. My hair is soft, bouncy, moisturized. It is bouncy and shiny. You can see how easy it is to open lines with my fingers. And thank you guys. I really hope that you found the video to be helpful, and please, if you did, don't forget to share with your loved ones. And thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.